All right. So let's do the basic rules of geometry first.
Mm-hmm.
So in geometry, we will be mostly talking about angles over here.
Yes.
Um, let's talk about the rules first. Rule number one. Rule number one says all angles in a line should add up to 180.
Okay.
180 degrees. All right. What does
Mm-hmm.
this mean?
It,
This means, for example, this is a straight line, a 180-degree line.
mm-hmm.
All angles over here. For example, I have a line here, here, here. All of these A, B, C, D. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D. They should be equal to 180 degrees.
Okay.
Alright?
Yeah.
Okay, great. Let's talk about the second rule. Angles at a point add up to 360 degrees. What does this mean? 360 degrees we know is a whole circle, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
For example, this is my point, and I have separate lines over here. Um, all of these angles A, B, C, and D, they're coming up from one point only, yes?
Yes.
So basically angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D. They should add up to 360 degrees. Alright?
Okay.
Are you clear with these two rules?
Yes.
Okay, let's talk about rule number 3. It says vertically opposite angles are equal.
Mm-hmm.
This means opposite angles are equal. For example, I have this two lines.
Okay.
A, this is B, this is C, and this is D. So
Okay.
according to this rule, this shows angle A will be equal to angle B, angle C will be equal to angle D. Alright?
Okay. So they'll be the same number, like
Yeah,
if it
they
was.
will be, yeah, they're exactly the same. For example, this
Oh.
is 40, this will also be 40. If this is 60, this will also be 60.
Mm.
Alright? And again, all of this added should be equal to 360.
Oh. Okay. Okay.
Okay?
Yes.
Alright. Let's talk about rule 4. All of these will make much more sense once you practice questions, okay?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
It says angle of sum of angle of a triangle is 180 degrees. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
This means any triangle you have, for example, this is my triangle. The sum of these angles A, B, C. What does sum mean?
Adding.
Yeah. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C will be 180. This
Okay.
applies to all kinds of triangles, even if it's like this, if it's a 90-degree triangle, even
Okay.
if it's 90, this means this will be 45 and this will be 45. So
Okay.
the whole will be 180. All kinds of angles, triangles it applies. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Rule number 5. An isosceles triangle has two equal sides and two equal angles. What is an isosceles triangle?
Um, it has like uh,
Isosceles triangle is basically a triangle which has two equal sides. So for example, this is my triangle. If any two sides are equal, for example, these are equal, this is called an isosceles triangle. Now, what the rule says is, if the two sides are equal, that these two angles will also be equal.
oh, okay. Even the top?
Okay? No, not the top.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so for example, I've told you that this is an isosceles triangle
Mm-hmm.
with side 8. Alright? So this
Yes.
would also be 8. You know this is an isosceles, so this would
Yes.
also be 8.
Yes.
And I've told you that this angle is 30. If this is 30, automatically from this rule, I know this will also be 30.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yes.
Let's say this is A. So according to rule 4, where it
Mm-hmm.
says sum of angles in a triangle is 180, can I find out A?
Yes.
30 plus 30 plus A should be equal to 180. You see, all the rules will be applied together.
Yes.
Okay? Is
Okay.
equal to 180. So A is equal to 180 minus 60. So A is 120. Does it make sense?
Yes, it does.
Okay, great. Okay, let's talk about rule number 6. Sum of a quadrilateral is 360. Sum of a quadrilateral, I mean the sum of angles, alright? What's a
Okay.
quadrilateral? It's a shape with four sides. So any shape they can give you.
So all
So
four
for
will be the same?
sum of the
Oh,
angles
right.
would be 360.
Yeah.
So quadrilateral can be any shape with four sides. It can be a square, a rectangle, a trapezium, any shape, alright?
Okay.
It just the definition is it has to have four sides.
Okay.
Alright?
Yes.
So what it says is that the angles will be equal to 360.
Mm-hmm.
So A, B, C, D. Or over here A, B, C, D.
Okay.
Okay?
Mm-hmm.
So angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D should always be equal to 360. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. Lastly, this is not a rule, this is just general information. Do you know what an equilateral triangle is?
Yeah, a triangle with all equal sides.
Yeah. So if all the sides are all equal, would the angles also be equal?
Mm, yes.
Yes. So all these sides are equal, all these angles are equal. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, great.
Is it like that always? Like if some or only for this triangle?
For equilateral triangles.
Okay, so
So,
if side is equal, then angles.
yeah. If angles are equal, can you tell me what the angles would be?
If angles were equal, they would be all 90? No, no.
What's the sum that should be? It should be 180,
180.
yeah?
Yes.
So it would be basically 180 divided by 3,
Yeah.
right?
Yes, yes.
Each
So
angle
it
would be
would be
60.
like 60. Each would be 60, yes.
Okay, great. Let's do questions on this. Are you clear with these properties?
Mm-hmm, yes.
All right, great. Can you open page 137
Yes.
from the book I gave you?
Yeah, yeah. 137?
Yes.
Okay.
Let's do these questions together.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yes.
Question 1, I want you to do on your own. It's a very straightforward question.
Okay, 137, right?
Yeah, exercise
Uh,
1.
exercise one. Okay. So this is just equals to 180. So
Yes.
25 plus 60. So it would be 95.
It will be basically 180 minus 60 plus 25, yeah?
Yes.
So what would be the angle?
95.
Perfect. So in 1, 2, it's the same, yeah? You
Mm-hmm.
just have to calculate, you just have to subtract from 180.
Yes.
Yeah? The
Yes.
property is angle on a straight line. Now, whenever you're doing geometric questions, one thing that you have to make sure is you write down the statement. The examiner requires the statement why you subtracted from 180. So
Like, what does that mean?
I'll just show you. I'll show you how the working will go like, okay? You can't simply do the addition and subtraction and show it to the examiner. He'll
Oh,
require a statement from you. So what
okay.
happens is, so for example, I have a question 25 degrees here, A here, 60 degrees here. Step 1 would always be A plus 25 plus 60 should be equal to 180 degrees.
Mm-hmm.
Why? Now you write down in brackets sum of angles on a straight line.
Oh, okay. So there has to be like statements all the time.
Yes.
Okay.
Is equal to 180. Because the examiner will, if you write this down only, he'll simply write down a question mark. Even if it's correct, he'll write down a question mark because he requires a statement from you. Why
Oh,
is it 180?
oh, okay, okay.
Okay. Then you do your working. All
Okay.
right. So for every property I've given you the reasons also. All
Yeah.
right. So these reasons are very important for this chapter. Okay.
So I'll just, whenever I'm answering, I just write whichever rule applies to that. I just specify
Exactly.
it.
Yeah,
Okay.
you just specify it. Okay. Can you do question 4 for me?
Yeah. 77. So D is gonna be 77.
Yeah, and what is the property that you wrote?
That all angles at a point add up to 360.
Perfect. Great. All right, let's do question 5.
Okay. Mhm. Um. Okay. So do I just find out the third angle inside and then I'm subtracted by 180 because of the line?
Yeah, that's exactly what you have to do.
Oh, okay.
Let me just show you the working, how it will go.
Okay.
So there are two properties being applied here, yeah?
Hmm.
How will you find out the interior angle?
By adding both and then subtracting by 180
Okay. Why are you subtracting by 180?
because it's a triangle.
Okay, great. Okay, so I what I can do is I can label this angle as, for example, A, all right?
Mm-hmm.
And I can write A plus 71 plus 58 is equal to 180. And I
Yes.
can write sum of angles in a triangle is equal to 180. All right.
Yes.
Now you find out A. What is A coming out to be?
It's coming out to be 51.
51. Okay. Now I can do A plus E is equal to 180. Now you write down sum of angles on a straight line
Okay.
is equal to 180. and then you do A is 51, so 51 plus E is 180. E is equal to 180 minus 51. Make sense?
Yes. So it's gonna be
Oh,
129.
yeah.
Oh, okay.
Okay, great. Start with question 6 and keep going forward. All of these questions will have a different property that you'll have to do. All right?
Okay. Okay. So question 6 up till just
Yeah.
okay.
When is your mock exam?
My mock. Okay. So I have my first mock by the end of Feb. So I think 15, 17 mid Feb to the
All
end.
right.
And I have one in March,
Perfect.
April-ish. Yeah.
All right. Perfect. You can start with question 6.
Okay.
Now, question 6, what is the shape called?
It's a quad quadrilateral.
Yeah, it's a quadrilateral. So the sum would be equal to?
360.
Perfect. Now they'll just be playing around with these properties, okay?
Okay.
Let me know if you need any help.
Sure. For question 7, I don't really get it.
Okay, let's do it together. Are you done with 6?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Let's do question 7. Let me just draw it over here for you. Something like this. It says 3A over here,
Mm-hmm.
A and A. Now, can you see that the variables are the same? It's just the magnitude that is changing, yeah? We're
Yeah.
only talking about A.
Yeah.
So basically, we know that according to the rules, A plus 3A plus 2A, this should be equal to what?
180.
180 because of angles on a straight line. Yeah?
Yes. Yes.
I'm writing the short form, you're not supposed to, okay?
Okay.
Alright. So it's A plus 3A plus 5A, which will give you 6A, is equal to 180. Yeah?
So it's
From
basically
this,
adding all of them. Yeah.
yeah, you have to add all of the angles. Once you find out A, you will
Mm.
just simply multiply A with 3 to get this angle, B by 2 from this angle for this angle, and simply A. for this
So
one.
when I subtract 180 by 6, oh no, divide 180 by 6,
Yeah,
I'll get 30 and then I'll multiply 30 with 3, 30 with 2.
yeah. So this would be
Oh,
90, this would be 60, and this is 30.
oh, all right, got it.
Got it? Okay.
Yeah.
Don't do question 9, 10, and 11, okay?
All right, so up till 8.
8 and then start with 12.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
I'm stuck at question 8.
Alright, let's do question 8 together. It's alright that you're stuck.
Yeah.
Because this is the point of us doing these questions together, right?
Yes.
Okay. So question 8 says, let me just draw whatever it says. Okay. It's E, F, and F. And it says F is equal to 2E. So they've also given you F in terms of E over here. Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
So can I write basically, if in place of F, can I just write 2E and 2E?
Yeah, you can.
Isn't it the same question as the question 7 now?
Yeah, it is.
So once you find out E, you can just convert it into 2E, and which is equal to F. So
So
let me just do it
2E
for
and
you.
then I'll just add them.
Yeah, so E plus 2E plus 2E is equal to 180. Yeah,
Yeah.
sum of
Okay.
angles on a straight line. And then 4, 5, and 6E is equal
Yeah.
to 180. E would be equal to 6
Uh,
ones are
180 over 6, so 30.
30. Alright, so this would be 30, 30, and F would be equal to 2E, which is 30 into 2 is 60.
Um,
Understand?
yeah, okay, got it.
You're starting from question 12 now, yeah?
Yes.
Okay, question 12 is very similar to this, alright?
Okay, I'll try doing that.
Okay.
Miss, for question number 17, I don't get it.
Question number 17.
Yes.
Alright, let me just check the question. Okay. There are a lot of things happening in this question. Let me just make it.
Yeah.
Okay. So we have two triangles. One is here and one is like this. Okay, they have told you the equal side. So this is equal to this and this is equal to this. Both of these
They can
triangles are
use
what?
they can use two dashes and one dash as well. It doesn't
Yeah,
matter. It
yeah,
okay.
it's the same thing. If it has two dashes on both sides, that means both are equal, okay? If it has one dash on both sides, then those are equal. They could have
Okay.
also done this. For example, this they would have given one dash and this one dash. So this means this and this is equal, this and this is equal.
Oh,
Understand?
okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So what are these two types of triangles?
They both are equilateral.
Equilateral. What is an
Oh, no, no,
equilateral
no.
triangle?
Sorry. Isosceles. Isosceles.
Isosceles. And what is the property of isosceles?
That if two angles are the same, then no, if two sides are the same, then the angles are the same.
Yeah, so the middle angle would be different and the both of the side angles would be the same, right?
Yes.
So this means this would also be equal to A
Yep.
and this would also be equal to B.
A. Oh, B.
B, right?
Yes.
Both these angles would be the same and both these angles would be the same. Can you calculate it now?
Yes. Now
So
it's
looking at
easier.
this, yeah, looking at this triangle, I
Yeah.
know that 44 plus A would be 180. So 44 plus 2A is 180 and you can calculate A. The
Yeah.
same way you can calculate B. Yeah?
Okay. Okay. Yeah, that makes sense.
Okay, great. Which question are you on?
On question number 20.
20. Okay, you left with 2. Perfect.
Yeah. I'm actually getting the wrong answer for question number 20. I don't know how.
Alright, let's do it together. Question 20. Okay, so it's a quadrilateral. Did you add and then subtract by 360?
Oh, it's a quadrilateral. Yeah, sorry. That's the mistake.
Alright.
Yeah.
You were doing it from 180?
Yeah, I was doing it.
My
I'm sorry. I thought, I don't know what I was thinking.
you want me to tell you shapes now? Does it look like a triangle to you?
No, I don't, I'm so sorry. I don't know what I was thinking.
It's okay.
No,
It's
no,
okay. So you'll add up and then you'll subtract from 360, okay?
no, all right.
Question 21 and 22 are a bit difficult. If you're able to do those, I
Yeah.
would be actually impressed with you. So
Okay,
try doing 21. It's
I'll
not
try
something out of the box though. It's just a lot of
working.
properties being applied together. No, no, not working, just properties being applied together.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah, I'll try doing that.
Yeah.
Okay, so far I solved for B. A is a bit, I don't know if I
All
can.
right. B you're done with?
Yes.
Okay. And A?
No.
So to get A, you need to get the other two angles, yeah?
Yeah, so I got one of them, which is 50. I don't know about the other one.
Other one, you got one of them by doing 180 minus
One.
130, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. And the other one, do you see that it's a straight line as well?
Yes. So I'll just do 180 minus 50.
Exactly.
Oh.
Yeah.
But that gives me
180, 180 minus 60, which will give you 120, yeah?
why 60?
Because that's a straight line, yeah? It's angles on a straight line. See,
Yeah,
I've
but
drawn it over here.
I'm finding the angle on the other triangle. Like I did the triangle with B, but the other
Yeah, yeah,
triangle.
yeah. I know what you're saying, but
Yeah.
let me just draw it. Wait. So this is 44. This is 44. This is 60. What did you get for B?
I got 76.
Okay. This is A. This is 130. You do 180 minus 130. It will give you 150, yeah? Now
No,
you
no,
need to get,
give me 50.
yeah, yeah, it gives you 50.
Yeah.
Now you need to find this angle to get A, yes?
Yes.
So how can you find this angle? Isn't this a straight line?
Oh yeah, yeah, it is. Yes.
So this would be 180 minus 60. Once you get this, you can find A.
Oh yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah? Okay.
I didn't think of that. Okay.
Yeah, now does it make sense to you?
Yes.
Alright, wait. Okay. Now, for your homework, I want you to do question 22
Yeah.
and 23 to 27. Now, these 23 to 27 you will find a little difficult,
Mm-hmm.
but what I want you to do is make the triangles, whatever they're asking you, go step by step. Even if you're not able to do it, that's fine. We can
Okay.
discuss it in the next class, all right?
All right. So my homework
Try
is
to do it
page 138, question 22
to
and
27.
to 27. Okay.
Yeah. All right.
Oh,
And then in the next class, we'll be starting with polygons.
with what?
With polygons.
Oh, okay, okay.
Okay.
Yay.
All right.
Thank
Perfect.
you so much. Have a good day.
Were you able to understand?